In a picturesque town named Greenhill, nestled at the foot of towering mountains, there lived a group of children who shared a remarkable bond with nature. Emily, James, Lily, and Sam were best friends who spent their days exploring the enchanting Greenhill woods. These woods were not just any woods. They were alive with the whispers of ancient trees and the laughter of crystal-clear streams. The children had heard tales from their grandparents about the lush beauty of Greenhill woods when they were young. However, the woods were changing. Trees were disappearing, and the streams were not as clear as they used to be. Something needed to be done to protect this precious place for future generations. One sunny morning, the four friends gathered by the babbling brook, deep in the heart of the woods. They looked at the once majestic oak tree, now withering away. James sighed. "We can't just stand by and watch this happen. We have to do something." Emily, with her fiery determination, exclaimed, "Let's become the guardians of Greenhill Woods. We'll protect this place, just like our grandparents did." The friends nodded in agreement, and with that, they embarked on their mission. They started by organizing cleanup days, picking up litter, and clearing away debris that had gathered in the streams. Lily, who had a knack for drawing, created beautiful posters that urged people to keep the woods clean. They realized that to protect the woods, they needed to learn more about the delicate balance of nature. They began studying the different species of plants and animals living in Greenhill Woods. Sam, the tech-savvy one of the group, set up trail cameras to capture images of the wildlife. As they deepened their understanding of the woods, they uncovered the root of the problem. A factory on the outskirts of town was releasing pollutants into the streams, causing harm to the environment. Determined to make a change, they gathered evidence and presented it to the town council. The council took action, and the factory was held accountable for its actions. The streams began to clear up, and the woods slowly regained their vitality. Emily, James, Lily, and Sam were recognized as young environmental stewards, and their efforts inspired others to join in the cause. The friends continued their work, planting new trees and even building birdhouses to encourage more wildlife to call Greenhill Woods home. They organized educational tours for school children, teaching them about the importance of preserving nature. Years passed, and the woods of Greenhill flourished once more. The oak tree that had been withering now stood tall and strong, a symbol of the children's dedication and the town's commitment to environmental stewardship. As Emily, James, Lily, and Sam grew older, they passed on their role as guardians of Greenhill Woods to the next generation of children. And as they looked back at their legacy, they knew that they had fulfilled their duty to protect and preserve the environment for future generations. We must protect and preserve our environment for future generations. Just as Emily, James, Lily, and Sam had taken responsibility for the woods they loved, it was everyone's duty to be stewards of the earth, ensuring its beauty and resources for those yet to come.